Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now by swipe to the left to the right side with my finger, we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this feature, just hold for a while one from your device home screens and you'll see here the home settings. Click here once. Now just near the show Google app here, click once on the switcher to turn it off. Now when we'll swipe with the finger to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is turned off. If you want to turn on again this feature, by the same way, hold the home screen, click home settings, and then just tap here on the switcher to activate it. And after that, we can see that the Google Discover is activated again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.